Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're back with another update of the swap portfolio where we compare our assets that we got from a swap, Pancake Swap, Uniswap, or even Shiba Swap. We'll do a full analysis, well, more of a summary analysis on our assets. And let's dive into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Kishu is leading the charge this week. Last week it was Saitama. The week before that was Saitama and Shib. But this week, as you see right here, Kishu and Baby Doge and others are leading the charge. To give you a sneak preview. Now, this is where we left off last week when we did the swap portfolio summary. And leading the charge was Shiba actually. Shiba was leading the charge with $16,000 in increase with a total revenue of $24,000. And we had a total of $77,000. Now, let me show you what's going on this week. And as I was mentioning, we do have some really good increases in our portfolio. If I scroll down just a tad, you're going to see a total value of $114,193. But when we first started out, back in August, it was only $24,000 and we only had 4 assets in our portfolio. We started adding in assets based off research and things that I liked in the market. So then we started adding a little bit at a time, like SafeMoon, Ryoshi Vision, Everrise. We start adding it into our portfolio. So we started out with 24,000 all the way up to 114,000. So let's go ahead and dive into this right now. Now, Shiba has been going up and down, but now we're starting to have some really consistency now and it's staying at a nice, steady pace. And the total value is $32,000 with an increase just from last week over 8,000. And of course, the 9,000 tokens because I'm in a 30-day Shiba challenge. So that's 9 million tokens. Excuse me, 9 million tokens. Now, Bone, we've been bearing our Bone on the Shiba swap and bearing our Shib on the Shiba swap and bearing our Leash on the Shiba swap, earning bones all the time. And also, we did earn our bones. So right now, Bone has gone up in price, $1.86 as in right now of the recording of this video. Total value of $12,000, an increase of $3,800. It's nice to see Bone going up because it's been so low for quite some time. If you go back, if I show you how Bone was as low as 82 cents at one particular time, 82 cents, $1.05, $1.06. Now we're getting back to the $2 mark, which is really good. Now, if we go to Leash, Leash is breaking loose right now. It's October 13th, and Leash is getting back to the 3,000 mark. I do believe it should hit at least $5,000 by the end of this year, and it has a total value of $14,000 in terms of the 5 Leash that we have, increase of $6,362 from last week. So we did not add any more Leash since then, but we're excited where Leash is going. Now, Saitama is definitely a jewel in this portfolio that you're seeing. It's starting to creep back up again in price after having a little decrease last week. So it went up pretty good. Pretty good from last week. 29,000 in the total revenue, over 29,000, 7,643 of an increase, and the tokenomics looks really good. It's good to stake those tokens. Well, it's not staking the tokens, it's just hodling the tokens. And over 2 billion tokens was earned in just in 1 week. Kishu is the star of this. One of the stars of this week. It has been up today in basically $13,000 in total revenue and a increased value of $8,100 over that mark since last week. Now the tokenomics, unbelievable. 18 billion in just in a week. So, you know, the thing about what I like about Kishu, I like what they're doing behind the scenes. They're adding in implication to the NFTs, into the burn, and they're growing their hodler amount, and they also growing their amount in price in terms of that. And I like where it's going. So Kishu is definitely as one of the hidden gems of this whole bunch. Now, Ryoshi Vision's been going up pretty nicely, and I see the value of $4,200 and $1,932 in total increase. But I like the 31 million in terms of the additional tokens. Remember, you can get your Ryoshi Vision for free just by staking your Shiba on the Shiba swap. You'll be able to get those right on the Shiba swap, which is a very, very blessing on that. And of course, the value is going up. Safe Moon has gone up a little bit more since last week, $1,260 in total value, increase $131. I'll take it, but I like the tokenomics over $700,000. Everrise, I'm not giving up to you, Everrise. There's a lot of good news that's coming up from them, and I noticed that they had a decrease from last week, but I still like the overall project with the Everrise development, and over 306,000 in tokens was earned from last week. So I'm good about Everrise. Fake token, working with DeFi, I still like it. I own a small bag of that, 105 billion tokens in there, but I like the fact that it's still moving back up again, and we're still collecting those tokenomics on Fake token. $583 in total value, $284 increase from last week. Now, Baby Doge did a very good thing today. In my opinion, it is up pretty good. And now what I'm seeing here, I like the tokenomics over 3 billion and the increase of $1,093. Total value nearly 2,000. If you look at the price here and the price there, you see it almost doubled. It literally doubled. You see 898 and then you see 1992. It literally doubled in the week. Literally doubled in a week, and over 3 billion tokens earned just by hodling Baby Doge. I like Baby Doge. Now, Clean Kai is one of the newer tokens in this bunch, and it's doing a more of an increase from last week, of course. Over 5 trillion we currently own, but we have 1450 in turn the total revenue, and increase of $224. But look at the tokenomics. Is that right? 34 billion? That's a lot of tokens earned in just a week. That's quite a bit of tokens earned in a week. And that's very, very true, because I'm looking at here, looking at there. That's quite true. And Jetstar, I love Jetstar with NFTs, the gaming, get play as you earn, really good art, and really talented team. You got 10,067 tokens, but it's already worth 5 cents, going close to the 6 cents. We already have a profit in Jetstar, $284. And we earned 20 Jetstar tokens in 1 week. So we have a combined total of $114,000 in a total revenue from last week of $77,000. So that's an increase of $36,000. That's good. Really excited about this. I do believe this will continue going up as more good news come out from all these, really. The one I'm looking at, I do believe will make a move. I think Saitama will. I think Kishu still will. I think Shiba still will. I think Baby Doge will. I think they all will have their runs. So that's why you track your progress. But I'm looking at these tokens being earned every single week. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We started this portfolio, this swap portfolio, in August, and we started with 24,000. Now we're up to 114,000. So we're going to continue this until we get to $1 million. I'll see you on the next video.